so romantic, guys. A movie-like moment for me. Every country has those locks. Next time I want to come here with someone. I arrived in Germany. Now time to go back to France. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dan in Korea and I am in France. I took the train from Paris. It was like an hour and 40 minutes to get here. And I'm in this little cute town called Strasbourg. I used the luggage storage service near the station. It was €5 per luggage with service fee. So in total it was like 13 something euros. I'm just gonna walk around because I heard there's like Petite France here. And today I am going to go to Germany. I know it's crazy, right? But I'll show you guys. Ooh, it's a cute little town. I just got bird poop on my hands. Lucky I brought these. Wow, look at this. Such a cute town with a lot of flies. Compared to Paris, it feels more like cute and cozy, kind of like a fairy tale-ish vibe. Wow, look at this place, guys. This looks like something from a fairy tale. And the weather is perfect. It was raining in Paris. Okay, this looks a bit scary. It's like a fairy tale, guys. I guess everywhere you go, people do things like this. Lock of love. Next time I want to come here with someone. You can get on a boat also to have a look around. Nice. This is much better than I expected. Ah, there's a gift shop. So this area is actually famous for the Christmas market. So there are a lot of these like Christmassy stuff. Oh. Okay, I think I'm gonna go in there. Should I get a magnet or... These are so cute. Christmas market in summer. I think I'm gonna go for getting a Colmar de Alsace, so sparkling wine. Food I will get, I have no idea what this is, but I'm gonna get it. So I wanted to get something local. Looks like ham, meat, sausages, sauerkraut, and potatoes.
Oh my god.
They're like artists on the street. Oh, I think she's Korean. Wow. It's 2:10 p.m. and I'll show you guys how to go to Germany from France before 3 p.m. Crossing a country in 30 minutes. I was waiting over there and I realized the platform is actually here. It's a very small train. I'm about to cross the border to Germany. Offenburg. Isn't it so strange? I took the train for 30 minutes and now I'm in a different country. So weird. It's actually a really small town. I feel like I'm the only tourist here. Visiting this place was really random, and I found out it's actually my friend's hometown. She lives in Korea, and there's a bar that she used to work here, so I'm gonna check it out. So yeah, I don't think there are many people filming, so I brought like the smallest GoPro, but still people are staring. I think this is the bar. Ah, cool. Wow. Okay, it's a bit hot, so I'm gonna stay inside actually. Wow. Nice. Look at the view. Thank you, Alice. Wow, the view is so nice. Anyway, I am gonna have a drink, guys. But this view is nice. It's a sparkling made of Riesling, which I think might be the first time I tried. A mango sorbet ice cream and a sparkling Riesling. I think I would never have found this place if it wasn't for Alice's recommendation. It's such a nice place. I feel like I found like a hidden gem. That was very unexpected, but it was really nice. This beer is so good. My main purpose was to come here and have some German wine, beer, and food, so I basically ticked off everything. So I'm gonna have the food and head back to Strasbourg and get my luggage and then go to Colmar. But isn't this amazing? Like, you can check out 2 countries within the same day, like within the same like hour actually. And the weather is just so good today. It's like a local dish, so I had to try it. It's a lot. I'm still full, but it looks so good. I have no idea what this is. It's like a type of pasta. I don't know how to describe it. It's kind of like pasta, similar to like Korean sujebi, kind of, in like gravy sauce. I want to try like different dishes, but I'm just too full to try it. So I guess I have to come back next time. It was a short and interesting visit to Germany. Now time to go back to France. So I got off the train and it was so hot because I had a mess up with my ticket and stuff. I got to Colmar and I just decided to take a taxi to the Airbnb. From what I know, we were supposed to go this way, but like we're going all the way around. Just checked in, guys. This is the bedroom. They told me to take pictures. And this is like the living room space. Kitchen. It looks very new actually. And then the bathroom, very clean. And shower. Okay. So there's a flight. This is interesting. Just checked in and the place was nice. I was getting into a better mood. I took a shower, but I realized the AC is broken and it's really hot here. The guy came and they cannot fix it. Why is life doing this to me? I'm actually very familiar with this town because there was a cosmetic brand that I helped to make, and one of the scent was named after this town. So it feels weird to be here in person. Anyway, the journey was a bit rough. I had some issues, so I couldn't film. And I checked in and the AC is not working, so I am sweating again. The town itself is really cute. This is where I'm staying, and I think it's in, I don't know, the middle of maybe the main streets. It's actually 8 p.m. but it's still very bright, so I'm gonna explore a little bit. Wow. Okay, what is going on with me today? It looks like a movie set, to be honest. Oh, ah, this is it. This was from the animation. 하울의 움직이는 성. Wow. If you're a fan, you would know. That building over there was the background of this animation. 하울의 움직이는 성. I don't know the English title, but 신기해. Okay, what is this? That was honestly so cute. This town is, I mean, this area is actually really cute. But a lot of shops are actually closed because it's like 8 p.m. This is the image that came to my mind when I think about Colmar. And I think this is the little Petit Venice. Every country has those locks, but those heart locks really suits this area. Hopefully one day I can make this lock. I want to try something like a local dish. Now, this is new. I got my wine in this. I got like 250 mil. Wow, this looks amazing. I think the seasoning is perfect. It's not too salty. It's not really like a wow taste, but it's pretty good. I can't believe it's still so bright when it's like 9:20 p.m. I need to get some water for the night because they don't have water. This is 9:30 p.m. guys. 9:30 p.m. What is that? It looks like people are just dancing outside that cafe. So romantic. This is so romantic, guys. It smells like fresh flowers. I am going back to my Airbnb, hotel, whatever. That was such a movie-like moment for me. Even right now, this feels so unreal. This is entrance to the place I'm staying. Okay, this is really dark. Lights come on. Oof. As you can see, it's very narrow. So if you have a luggage like me, it's not gonna be easy. And this is me. That was a long day. I went to 3 different cities. Right? I've never seen something like that. I think it was so romantic and like movie-like. I actually took shower like 3 times since I've been back. This place is so nice, but it's so sad because But the AC is broken in the room and in the living room, and it's so hot. I can't open the windows because there are insects. I got bitten by something. I don't know what it is, but it's actually painful. The host or the owners are not even responding. I booked it through Agoda. They're not responding. Why? This is how I'm gonna survive the night. Cause there's no air coming out. I am actually going to check out right now and go back to Paris early and canceled my winery tour because it's just like too hot here. They're not even answering when they're gonna fix the AC. They told me they were gonna let me know yesterday, but I heard nothing. I managed to change my train ticket. I had to pay a lot, but I will just go back to Paris early and prepare for the event with enough time. I'll come back to Alsace for winery tours next time with friends. But for now, I think I'm gonna check out.